Okay, so here we go from Beautylish. Yes, I had ordered the Jeffree Star online from, how am I going to do this? From Beautylish instead of his website. So I knew that it would have less traffic, and which I was right. I was able to get right through and check out. So guess what I got. Ta-da! I've got both of them. And so yeah, if you're ever in the need where you think that it's going to be $1 million hit like this one was, and you think that traffic is going to be bad on the Jeffree Star website, always go to Beautylish. I ordered mine like 2 seconds right after it had started, and I got my order a lot faster, so yay me. So this is it. The unicorn is actually really, this part is really tough to get off of this. You really need to grab it in because it's kind of flimsy. But then this is everything. It really is. Wow. Let me try to put this up here real quick. So I already unlatched both of them. And let's open it up. Oh, wow. And ooh. So I had already unlatched it and opened it up, and there it is. Wow. But it doesn't, like that little flimsy piece of, you know, stuff that normally comes like over top of the shades. It's not there. So, not that that matters, but you know, this one. Yes, cheese dust, yes. And yellow is not my favorite color, but look at that pigment. Holy cow. Or holy pig. Holy pig. Holy pig. Wow, look at those shades. So my first impression is I'm gonna do a work look this morning, a really quick one. And I think I'm gonna use like this one. I don't know, I might have to use this one. I don't know, I might have to use this one. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Guess what we're doing today? Yes, we are. I'm gonna do a very quick tutorial. I just opened it up this morning. Here is this bad boy. The colors are really gorgeous. They are just gorgeous. I said something on my Instagram story this morning, but if you are ever in a hurry to check out, sometimes the Jeffree Star website is not real friendly and it does not check out right away. And it holds you up and etc. Go to beautylish.com and check out there. They don't carry all of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics line that I know of, but they do carry new releases and some products. So they did have the Conspiracy Palette. I got got both of them, the big one and the mini, and checked out like that. So yeah, always check them out. And I got my package a lot faster. So there you go. So if you're interested in a work look, not a glam look, a work look that you can use with this palette on an everyday basis, then please stay tuned. Let's get started. Okay, so I have already prepped my face. I've already put my serum on, which was the Kate Somerville. I'll tell you what I used. The Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior. And then my foundation was Philosophy, the Miracle Foundation. So that's all that I have on face-wise, except for my brows. I've got 2.75 in the Benefit Precisely My Brow. All right, so let's get started with this. Again, really quick. All right, so I'm gonna start with my pills. My pills. And then this is a Sephora fluff brush of some sort. And I'm just gonna go in the crease. This is a really, really light color. It may even be too light for me. But that's gonna go like kind of up to my brow bone a little bit. Because I have hooded eyes, I go a little higher than the norm. Okay. Now I'm going to take another fluff brush. Let me try to find one here. That's clean. This is a Japanese brush, and again, it's just another fluff brush. And I'm going to take, Diet Root Beer. And do that in the crease too. The crease and down. And you gotta mind my roots because I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, so that's the story on that too. It's real life, you know? All right, let's take this brush here. This is a Morphe E22 and it's a mini kind of button fluff brush. And all right, with this, let's do spiraling. Let's do this one. And we'll do this one in the corner. Now, with these shades, do you see what I did here? You really gotta watch what you're doing. And I don't typically put powder on there and bake and do all this other stuff. But you do gotta watch what you're doing for the fallout. All right, so now that I'm cleaned up, let's keep going. All right, then I'm going to take that very first brush that I had with the tan and just blend all that together. So look at that smoked out look. Yes. Now, again, because I have hooded eyes, I am putting a little bit more in that crease than typically probably what you would need to do. All right. Now, what am I going to put in the center? I think I'm going to use Conspiracy, and that's this faded green here, because I don't want something really bright for the office today. It's Friday, it's dress down day, and there we go. That's just enough brightening, so we're going to pile that on right there. And actually, that is almost like a greenish gold, which is really pretty. So yeah, that's kind of like a greenish gold. And then I'm going to take that first brush again and blend out the top of that so it blends together. So it's kind of like a smoky look, smoky but soft and subtle for a Friday. For the underneath, I think I'm gonna go in with root beer, and yeah, just root beer. Anybody ever do that and just like poke yourself in the eye when you're looking right at it? Okay, so that's soft and subtle. Okay, so I'm done with that. So let me show you some, so I don't have a whole lot of fallout, but there is some in there, some pieces. So just be wary of that. All right, and then I am gonna take a Urban Decay 24/7. This is in the shade Torch. And I'm gonna go on the top bottom here, just to brighten that up. Yeah, that opens my eye. Oh, what the heck, I'm just gonna do this on the underneath too. Okay, so now that that's done, let me finish my face with bronzer. Why don't I just do it? This is the ABH bronzer in shade 20. This has like a terracotta look. It's got some pink in it, as well as the beige. Okay, so once I do that, I do this like really quick. Especially like when you have no time. And then I take a buffer brush and just beat the heck out of that so that it blends out. And then I just kind of like bring that down my neck. Okay. I always spray prior to mascara and lipstick. Always. Beauty blender, tap. This will meld your makeup with the setting spray. And normally I have my fan on, but I don't have my fan on today. Okay, mascara. I'm gonna use the Kush mascara today from Milk Makeup. and I'm not going to put any on the underneath. All right, dose of colors. This is in Old Flame. Okay, so there's my final look. I can do a wear test today too. I think I can pull that off. So let's do a wear test today, and because I'll have this on pretty much all day. It's a work day. So let's get to work and I'll be back later. So this is the palette in daylight. Kind of sunlight, if you can see that. All right, so this is my last check-in. I probably had this on for way too long because I'm so tired. But it held up really good today. Yay, Shane! And I think I even slept with it on the couch for just a tad anyway. But I still think it looks good. The smoke is still there. And let's do a pan here so you can actually see it a little better. Yeah, but it stayed on really well today, so I'm really happy about that, and I think it's a great palette. Next time I will start with some brighter colors, but this was just for an office look, so it's smoky and subtle. And Cinnamon says that it's time to go to bed. She says it's time to go to bed, to book up. So, all right, that's it. All right, so thanks again so much for watching. I appreciate you all. I really like what I've tried so far of this palette, and we'll see what the next look will look like. Maybe I'll try the mini next time. But you've seen a million swatches and so forth, so I'm not gonna swatch except for those 4 that I did, like on my fingers. Again, this was a work look, not a glam look. So stay tuned for look 2, and I will catch you on the next one. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be doing an entire week, Thanksgiving week, of giveaways the entire week. So make sure that you are subscribed to both things, Instagram, YouTube, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks so much. God bless.